Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will be adding our player. Okay, so for the player, as you know that the player character is required animations and also the player rifles and everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our player. For the player, go ahead and download this third person character, and if you extract this here, in here you will find this TPC folder. Let's drag and drop this inside our game assets. Okay, let's click on the game assets, and in here click on this TPC. In here you will find the AKM source. Okay, and this is the AKM prefab. Then we have the M16 assault rifle, and we have the animations. Okay, for the character, as you can see they are humanoid, and the Tommy Vercetti uh, avatar is already selected. Okay, and if you click on pistol you will find the pistol prefab, and then in here you can find the pistol animations. Okay, these all animations are from miximo.com website. Okay, and if you check this out, this is the other animation for the character. Okay, and in the Tommy Vercetti folder you will find the actual character. Okay, right here, as you can see. So let's first of all give credit to the owner of these assets. Okay, these animations are from, as I told you, miximo.com, and this Tommy Vercetti character is from Sketchfab, but I don't know if it was this character or this one or this one. I forgot, but it was one of this character, okay, which I have used in it. So shout out to all of these talented developers. Okay, and also this AKM weapon is also from Sketchfab. So right here, if you search for AKM, click on downloadable. In here, as you can see, these are all of the AKM weapons. Okay, so I forgot which one I have used. Okay, I bookmarked that creator, but I don't know why it is not in there anymore. Okay, but it was from Sketchfab as well, and all the other rifles as well. And also, if you want, you can use some other AKM prefab from here as well. Okay, now back right here, we now need to add our character. So if I click on Tommy Vercetti, as you can see, this is the character, but we will not be using this character because this character doesn't have any rig. Okay, if I show you, if you click on this animation, as you can see right here, the character is running, the Tommy Vercetti character, but if you drag and drop this, as you can see, it is staying still. Okay, so as I told you, I've downloaded these animations from the miximo.com website. So from the miximo.com I have added a rig to this character. So in the male locomotion pick you will find this Tommy Vercetti character. Okay, you can move him to the ground like this. Okay, and then for the material, just open up Tommy Vercetti folder, click on material and drag and drop this material on there. Okay, so as you can see, here is our Tommy Vercetti character. Okay, here it is, as you can see. Now once we have the character, now if we check the animations, okay, drag and drop the character in there, as you can see, this is the player right there, working perfectly fine. And if you want to use some other character, then just simply upload this Tommy Vercetti character to the miximo.com website, and then you can select different animations, and then make sure that you download each of the animation with your character. Okay, just as I did with the male locomotion pick, I have downloaded the character so that the rig is added to this. I will even show you how you can do that. Just open up the miximo.com website, okay? Log in using your Gmail or however you want to log in, and then click on upload character, and then in here just simply drag and drop your Tommy Vercetti character like this. Okay, now as you can see, this is the character. Click next, add your chin, then this right here. Okay, and then the elbows right here, then the knees, and then this right here. Okay, click next. Now as you can see, it is auto rigging the character. Okay, now as you can see, the character is rigged. Here is our Tom University character. Click next and next again. And now on this character you can use whatever animation you want, as you can see. Okay, like this. Then you can download the animation for FPX for Unity and with skin. Okay, just simply click on download and it will be downloaded. And then you can open up that animation like this, and in there you will have your character, and then you can drag and drop that character like this, and then add the material from this Tommy Vercetti like this. Okay, so now as you can see, the material is added and we have the character right here. And also in the male locomotion pack we have the player animator already set up. Okay, but I will not be giving you this controller because we will be creating this controller from the start, or else you guys will get confused. Okay, so let me delete it for now. Okay, and also you guys will not have this controller as well. So with our character added, let's end this video right here.